Yo guys, what's up? How's it going today? Investing Money Man here. Today we're doing daily trade. This is a little account overview. This is a Thinkorswim mobile app. I've already selected my stock for the day. Fubo's got some earnings coming up. It's got high volatility. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go with the monthly, I believe. There we go. We're going to sell a 36 put, add a leg, and we're going to buy some insurance, and we're going to buy it at 25, 30, and 22 and a half. So this is a backspread. Except that didn't work. Try that again. Alright, I'm not sure why this is not working right now. There we go. Okay. So you can see here we have it set up. We have a put at 36, and we bought a 25 and a 22 and a half. We're going to get a credit about 350. And you can see the profit loss chart. Pretty good. I'll buy it. So this is my daily trade I'm going to do. Now we'll see how it works out. Hopefully earnings will be good. If not, I'm protected. So confirm. Send. Order was sent. It's working. Okay, let's try to adjust it since it didn't execute right away. Oh, look, it changed quite a bit. Alright, let's go a little under mid. Confirm. Send. Alright, that executed. So it filled. For a 345. Alright, pretty good. Go back to my overview. Positions. See, I have a couple positions on previously. A couple are in the money. Here's this current one. Still looks okay. So anyway, after earnings come out, there'll be a volatility crush. Volatility will go way down, and hopefully we'll make some money on that. If we do, I'll close it out for 50% profit or so, is my goal. If not, if it goes in the money, have to wait it out. Maybe have to roll it to the next month, see what happens. Anyway, guys, I'm going to try to give you guys a daily trade if possible. This week I am trading on Thinkorswim, and my goal is $300 a day, and hopefully I can make about half of that in profit back. 50%. My goal is 50%. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe for my daily update and trade in the morning, and hit the notification bell to help you out. Alright, guys, thanks for watching.